very intense ride experience. That's what I said. This ride does something worse than